Hello everybody. Let us see overview of power system control, that means plant level and system level control. In this control says the function of an electric power system is to convert energy from one of the naturally available form to electrical form and to transport it to points of consumption. A properly designed and operated power system should meet the following fundamental requirements. That adequate spinning reserve must be present to meet the active and reactive power demand. Minimum cost with minimum ecological impact. The power quality must have certain minimum standards within the tolerance or limits such as constancy of frequency, constancy of voltage, voltage magnitude and load angles or constancy, level of reliability. Next, we have to consider factors affecting power quality. That factors are switching surges, lightning, flickering of voltage, load shedding, electromagnetic interference, line capacitance and line inductance, operation of heavy equipment. Now, the three main controls involved in power are plant level control or generating unit control, system generation control and transmission control. First, we look at plant level control. In this plant level control, having governor control or prime mover control, automatic voltage regulator or excitation control. The governor control or prime mover control says a concern with the speed regulation of the governor and the control of energy supply system variables such as boiler pressure, temperature and flows. Speed regulation is concerned with steam input to turbine. With variation in load, speed of governor varies as the load is inversely proportional to speed. The speed of the generator varies and the governor senses the speed and give a command signal so that the steam input of the turbine is changed relatively to the load requirement. Next, the small introduction of automatic voltage regulator or excitation control is to regulate generator voltage and relative power output. As the terminal voltage varies the excitation control, it maintains three terminal voltage to the required standard and the demand of the reactive power is also made by the excitation control unit. These controls are depicted in given figure. That figures are shown here. The figures are denoted so many subsystems connected across the power plant. That subsystems are system generation control, load frequency control, economic dispatch control, system voltage control, monitoring control, power system operation control. Those four controlling system can have load frequency control. This involves the sensing of the bus bar frequency and compares with the entire tie line power frequency system. The difference of the signal is fed to the integrator and it is given to speed changer which generates the reference speed for the governor. Thus the frequency of the tie line is maintained constant. Second case is economic dispatch control. When the economical load distribution between a number of generator unit is considered, it is found that the optimum generating schedule is affected, then incremental increased at one of the units replace a compensating decrease at every other unit in term of some incremental cost. Next, system voltage control. And this involves the process of controlling the system voltage within tolerable limits. This includes the device such as static VR compensator, synchronous condenser, tap changing transformer, switches, capacitors and reactor. The controls described above contribute to the satisfactory operation of this power system by maintaining system voltages, frequency and other system variable within their acceptable limit. They also have a profound effect on the dynamic performance of power system and on its ability to cope with disturbance. Next, the main objective of real-time power system operation requires a process guided by control and decision based on constant monitoring of the system condition. The power system operation is split into two levels. Level 1 is monitoring and design. The monitoring and design is the condition of the system continuously observed the control centers by protective relays for fault or contingency caused by equipment trouble and failure. If any of these monitoring devices identifies a sufficiently severe problem at the sample time, then the system is in an abnormal condition. If no such abnormality is observed, then the system is in normal condition. Level 2 is control. At each sample, the proper commands are generated for correcting the abnormality and protecting the system from its consequence. If an abnormality is observed, then the normal operation proceeds for the next sample interval. Thank you.